In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the pending balance problem on PayPal. If you've ever experienced the frustration of having your funds on hold, you're definitely not alone. This can be quite bothersome, especially when you're relying on those funds for business or personal use. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to release your pending balance. First off, you'll want to head over to the PayPal website. It's as simple as opening your browser and typing PayPal's web address. Once you're there, look for the login button at the upper right corner and click on it. After that, you'll need to enter your email address and your password, which are your login credentials. Ensure these details are correctly entered to avoid any login errors. Then click on the login button to access your account. Before we proceed further, it's crucial to understand why your money might be on hold in the first place. There are a few reasons for this. For instance, if you haven't sold anything for a while, or there are several customer complaints or refund requests associated with your account, PayPal might place funds on hold. Other factors could include changes in your selling pattern, selling high-risk items, or receiving payments for goods and services instead of personal transfers. Now, let's solve the problem. Once inside your PayPal account, navigate to the Activity tab. This is where you'll find all your recent transactions. Scan through your recent activity to locate the specific transaction that has the funds on hold. Next to the affected transaction, you should see an option labeled Get Your Money. Clicking on this will direct you to update the order status for any services or intangible items. Make sure to fill in all the necessary details regarding the transaction. Once complete, hit the Submit button to finalize your update. This might be enough to release your funds, but what if it isn't? Well, you also have the option to add tracking information. If your transaction involves a physical product, using an approved shipping carrier and providing a tracking number will be crucial. You can even print shipping labels directly through PayPal, which will automatically upload the tracking information. By following these steps, you should be able to address why your funds are on hold and take appropriate action. Keep in mind, maintaining a good selling history and promptly addressing any customer concerns can minimize the chances of PayPal placing any future holds on your account. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in solving your pending balance issues on PayPal.